Welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how you can create a free website using Canva. Yes, I said free. Hey boss friends, it's Tisha. I'm your digital tool specialist. I show you how to use online tools to help you create your own business and be your own boss. Now, I wanted to bring you this tutorial because I understand as an entrepreneur, it may not be in the budget to hire someone to develop or create your website. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Canva to create your website for the free 99. Let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Here we are on my Canva homepage, and as you know, Canva offers many templates that you can use and customize for your business needs. And I am logged into my free Canva account because I want to show you that you can create a website absolutely free using the free templates and elements that Canva provides. So once you are in your homepage, the first thing you need to do is go to the search bar and type in the word website. Now it's going to bring you up three options. The website option is for desktop website, which means it's not mobile responsive. So you may not want to choose this option because we all know that majority of the people access the internet using a mobile device. The second option, bio link website. This is for if you want to create a link page, like a link tree page for your Instagram bios or those social platforms that only allow you one link. And then the last option is the mobile first website. This option gives you the mobile responsive and the desktop responsive. So this is the option that we're going to use today for this tutorial. So you just click on that. It's going to take you to the templates that are available to you. Now, if you go and see here on the right hand corner, it'll show you which templates are free and which ones are paid. If you want to use the paid versions, that is up to you. But again, you can use the free templates. Now, you can also go to the top right hand corner and click on the three dots, and you can preview the template before you select which one you want to use. So you see this one has 3 pages and it also gives you the color codes. Some pages or some templates have multiple pages, like this template. I strongly suggest that you kind of stick with a template that gives you 3 to 5 pages, or you can always add and delete pages as you need them. You won't need this many pages for a website. So for this tutorial, the template that I want to use is this one. So I'm going to click on that. Here we are inside the template. And I'm going to show you how you can customize each one of your pages. Just a quick pro tip, you want to make sure that you have all of your images that you're going to use for your website design already uploaded into Canva so you don't have to go back and forth looking for images. Now, the first thing I want to do is actually add a page. This website design only has 3 pages and I actually want 4 pages. So what I need to do is first scroll to the bottom, click Add Page. Then I'm going to go back over here to the template section. I'm going to select another template, and the page I want to use is the Contact Us page. So now I have 4 pages. The first page is going to act like my home page or my header of the website. The second page is going to be the About Me. The third page is going to be about the business, what products or service I offer. The last page is going to be a Contact Us or a call to action page. The next thing I want to show you how to do is how to add images to your design. Now, I actually want to keep this background, but for the sake of the tutorial, let me show you how you can change the background. I'm going to go over here to my uploads, and this is just an image that I grabbed from Google. So I'm just going to click on it and just drag it over into the design. And there you see that now the background has been changed. Anytime you do something and you don't like it, you can always hit the undo button. And like I said, I wanted to keep this background image, so we're going to keep that there. I don't want to use this element, so I'm going to go up here to the top right and delete. And I'm also going to delete this image, this element. I want to duplicate this one by hitting the duplicate button and then dragging it on this side. I can change my text out to whatever I want it to state. So for this, I'm going to have luxury events. Let's see, chic, elegant. So you just type whatever it is that you need to type for your business. You can adjust the font size by pulling on the corners and just dragging it out. You can also go to the top and use the plus and minus keys. If you want to change the actual font, you can go over here and select the font that you want to use for your design. Let me adjust this a bit. Oh, make sure I'm spelling things correctly. All right, now let's move on to the second page. Now for the second page, I actually want to change the background color to the navy blue and change the font colors to the peach. So I'm going to hit ungroup. This would allow me to change the colors. The great thing about Canva is that they keep the document colors here at the top, so it's easy for you to access and you don't have to go and continuously search for the colors that you want to use. So I'm simply going to click on the fonts and then change them to peach. Click on the background and change that to the navy blue. Oh. You got to make sure the element you want to change is actually selected. All right, see, now it's changed. I'm going to delete this image and I'm going to add this image. And I'm going to move the elements around a bit just to show you again how easy it is to customize how you want it to. All right. And just like that, the second page is done. Now for the third page, I actually want to use the same image that I have on the first page. So what I can do is I can right click, hit copy, go to the third page, right click and hit paste. And there it pastes the image into the background. And then you can just change the font to say what you want it to say. And now the third page is done. Let's go to the last page. I'm going to make this background peach. Now, as you can see, since I took this page from a different template, it has different fonts than the other pages. A quick tip of what you can do is you can copy the style of the fonts and then paste it, and it's going to make it the exact same. So let me show you. So I have this highlighted. I'm going to go up here, click this little paintbrush for copy style, and I'm going to scroll down and then right click, and then it changes it to match the style of this font. Easy. And I'm just going to ungroup these so I can just play with the sizes a bit. The next thing I want to show you is how to add a call to action button. What you want to do is go over to elements and you want to type in the word button. Now if you're using the free account, as you can see, there are options for Pro. That means you have to pay for those or have a Canva Pro account. If you want to keep this, again, absolutely free, make sure that you are using the elements that say free. So we're going to use this first button. And then I'm going to change it so it matches the color codes that I already have. Let's add a text. Let's change the font to white so it can show up on the button. And you just want to make sure that your font fits onto your button. Okay. So the next thing you want to do is to click on your text and then click the link option, and then you want to paste your call to action or the link for your call to action, hit apply, and it's going to take your customers or your clients to that call to action page. The last design option that I want to show you is how to add social media icons. So again, you want to go to elements and then you want to search for the social media that you want to use. So let's type in Instagram. Again, make sure you are using the free element. Let's do one more. Let's do Facebook also. I can't type today. And I'm just going to change out these colors to make sure that they match my color style that I'm currently going with. Once you've added the social media icons, now you're going to link your social media pages. I'm just going to copy my links here and add them. And once you've added your links, now it's all done. This is how the website looks. Now, once you have completed your designs, the next thing you want to do is change the name of your template design. You can name it whatever you want, but this will help when you are sharing your website. You won't see that Canva template name in there. Once you complete your design, the next step is to publish the website. So you want to click on Publish as a Website. Canva gives you 4 options to publish your site. The first option is presentation style. This is more like a PowerPoint slideshow. The second option is scrolling, so it just scrolls up and down. Classic navigation gives you where you can have like a menu button, and the standard is a combination of the scrolling and classic navigation. Now, if you want to have a navigation bar, what you would need to do is label your pages. So we can go to home. Again, I can't type today. Services. And once you label your pages, so if you want to use that, then you would see. So I'm going to show you how each one of these options look. So let's start with the presentation option. Like I stated, it acts like a presentation. That was not my favorite. My favorite actually is scrolling and standard. So scrolling, this is how it looks on desktop. This is the classic, and as you see, it has the buttons of the pages that we had at the top. Also, it has the name that we entered in for the name of the template design. So you don't want it to say website template or whatever Canva has as its generic name. You want most likely to use your business name here. And then once I click each one, it's going to take me to that page. And then the last one is standard. And this is how it looks on desktop. So again, it gives you a combination of scrolling. And then you also have the buttons at the top. And when you link your buttons, once they click on it, it's going to take them to whatever you linked. So those are the 4 ways that you can publish your website. Guys, let me know down in the comments which one is your favorite. My favorite is actually the standard one because it shows scrolling and gives you the navigation buttons. Now I'm going to quickly show you how each one of these look on mobile, and then we're going to finish up this tutorial. Now the last thing I want to show you is how you can share your website with others, and there are 3 ways that you can do that. The first way is that you can use the direct link that Canva provides you once you publish the website. You can share that link with anyone that you want to visit your website. The second option is to do a domain redirect. So if you already have a domain name, you can redirect that to go to the link that is provided by Canva. Now your third option is to use a URL shortener such as bit.ly to create a shortened customized link. And one of the great things about bit.ly is that it also has analytics, so you can see who is clicking on your link. So that's going to be it for this tutorial. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure that you hit the like button. If you have any questions, make sure you leave your questions down below. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye.